looking to find how you can save bio in Yubo. Well, Yubo shares this feature with other social media, other social networking platforms. Having bio gives your audience or other users a snapshot of who you are. Based on what, they can decide whether they want to be friends with you or not. But how do you save bio in Yubo? Hello everyone, welcome to How to Guide. In today's guide, it's gonna be about how to save bio in Yubo. So let's get started. At first, you need to launch your Yubo app. Once you're signed in, you will have an interface something like this. So in order to save bio, all you have to do is go to this profile avatar at the top section. Once here, you can click on complete your profile. Now there is a section called bio right here. Currently I have tech savvy as my bio, so let's edit it, tech savvy person. Alright, so you can also preview their bio right here. Preview. So first screen is like this, second, third, and last, tech savvy person. Well, you don't have to click any save button. Your bio is automatically saved. So if you go back, your bio is saved. Now you know how to save bio in Yubo. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions? Do leave them in the comment section. Until next time, bye bye.